Hi, welcome to my classroom. My name is Will Stoll. I'm a high school physics teacher. And this is my classroom. Without my students, it's a pretty empty place. In fact, it's really just four walls without any windows. Sort of like a prison some days, both to me and my students. However, it's my job here in this classroom to bring the world to my students. With that, I try and connect the ideas that we study here with the outside world. And if I'm successful, the students are transported out of this prison into an amazing world of physics outside. The aurora borealis, the northern lights, these ghostly patterns that are in the night sky, coming from interactions of charged particles from the sun, interacting with the magnetic fields and then colliding with gas molecules. A wonderful spectrum, and at the heart, physics. Two scientists have invited me to join them on an upcoming trip to study the aurora borealis and also to photograph it. The first one who's actually leading the trip is Duke Johnson. He is over the exhibits and also education at the Clark Planetarium outside Salt Lake City, and is an amazing photographer. He's won numerous awards for his photos and also is just known for his astrophotography. Just stunning images. The second scientist, Dr. Sherilyn Morrow, is very active in science education. Her background is actually in solar physics, and she worked for many years with NASA, helping them develop educational outreach for many different space missions, and is currently working in the field of science education. And so they both have invited me to join them in Yellowknife, Canada, just below the Arctic Circle. But the other side of going to Yellowknife in early March is the weather. Yellowknife typically has lows down to -20 degrees below zero, and can also, in extreme conditions, reach as far as -40 degrees below zero. And so, to shoot the aurora borealis, we actually have to be out during the night, setting up and waiting for these patterns to appear in the sky. So we'll be in this frigid cold, battling sort of the elements, trying to get these pictures. And so it really should be a true scientific expedition.